bad. Beauty.
What about the actual station?
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm being polite to you, but at the same time I want to get it sort of
I know.
square, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. Trying to get mine down smaller.
See, that's as small as I can get it through
What'd you get?
mine.
Yeah. Too big.
Yeah. I know why you're trying to get it small, to get it all in one shot.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I think I have to give up and do two.
Yeah. Garden bed just looks magnificent. The Capri's factory in New Zealand's closing down too, so they said that on the bus tour, so just stick your finger up at them because everything's sort of shipping out into other states, but no, don't take it too hard. Yeah, hang on. Shut up! You believe this is a train station? A little further out. Shut up! Mary being a pain in the ass as per usual. Plenty getting that no one knows the name of. Beautiful train station.
Isn't it just magnificent?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir.
Does power cords work?
Sorry?
Something